Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kum kajing Aiman Sim but Jingithuh Bakrpang yagi Khynnah Pule hapo ka South Shillong constituency ki balapas baha haki kerdan Pule boper haka sien ka ba arpuai ka Right Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organization mentaga sngi ka arpun reuterik Rlssco kalapan long da ka jingpun kup buram ya ka balatip kum ka 21st Meritorious Award 2024 ha Usosotham Auditorium. Hagani ka sngi Chief Secretary ka Jalaw ba DP Walang, but MLA ka South Shillong constituency ba Sanbor Shulai, kilapun kup buram ya ki ars pa sanpun rengot ki samla Pule jonggani ka constituency. Kajing pun kup buram ka dairu na ka benta ki to ki samla Pule ki bawan na ki longyeng badok ki baduna the commencement nrei kila leb ha ki examen baper. Mentau Snem ya ka jing pun kup buram la pia ha ki arpu pratali gitu. Na pedeng ki arspa san pun reungut nyu pesaungut ki samla Pule ki dei ki bawan ha ka first division but ki layo da ki laptop kapang pedeng jong ka jingsam kusna mentau Snem ka dei say no to drugs ka jinglot kam duna ya ka laipo lak tengka lengba ka scheme SUWP lengba ka jingkershan ki khot ka organization bat ki parlok bantiet ya ki kusnam ki mementos bat ki wei ki jing ai sungba ya ki samla Pule.
It is we appeal upon each and every one of you as the word says charity is at home. So we have to start as the charity from our home, from our own family, from our locality, and it is a collective responsibility of each and every one of us to join hands and to support and cooperate with the government and the various government agencies to eradicate drugs. So the message goes, say no to drugs. So I'm not lending my speech. So once again, on behalf of the organization, we welcome once again each and every of you. Thank you, Pule, Netala, and WordPress.
As I look at all your eager and bright faces, I see the future of Meghalaya, a future filled with immense promise, talent, and hope. Education is more than just the grades that we earn in the classrooms. It is about discovering your strengths, building character, and laying the foundation of a lifetime of learning. Today we gather here to recognize not only your academic excellence, but also your dedication, discipline, and resilience that has brought you into this moment. I offer my heartiest congratulations to each one of you for your well-deserved success. As Albert Einstein once said, I quote, "Education is not learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think." Unquote. You have demonstrated that learning is not just about exams, it is also about understanding, questioning, and growing. The journey to academic excellence is seldom easy. It demands focus, hard work, and a willingness to step out of the comfort zone. You may have spent long hours studying, sacrificed leisure, and faced challenges along the way. There are so many distractions. Sanbor has just mentioned about drugs, the challenge of digital revolution that is taking place in a negative way. These are all distractions which you need to overcome. But today, your achievements stand as a testament to the fact that with perseverance, anything is possible. I encourage you all to take pride in what you have achieved, but also to remain humble and open to new learning. Today is just the beginning of a new journey, and I hope all of you will not be stranded midway, but will complete this journey. Your achievements are not yours alone. Behind every accomplishment stands a community of support. Your parents, your teachers, and your friends. They have all been your mentors, your guides, and your biggest cheerleaders. On behalf of all the students, I extend my sincere gratitude to all the parents and educators who are present here. Your encouragement and belief in these young minds have played a pivotal role in shaping their success. To the students, I say this: while it is wonderful to achieve academic success, it is equally important to develop a responsible and compassionate individuals. The world today needs not just educated minds, but also kind hearts and ethical leaders. As you move forward, many of you will remain true to your values and use your knowledge to uplift others. Nelson Mandela rightly observed, I quote, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world," unquote. Let this thought inspire you to make a positive difference wherever life takes you. At this point, I would also like to remind you that life is a continuous journey of learning. In our fast-changing world, knowledge evolves rapidly, and what we learn today may be replaced by new discoveries tomorrow. So embrace lifelong learning with enthusiasm. In fact, as you proceed on with life, you'll have to remember that what you learn, you may have to unlearn. What you unlearn, you may have to relearn. Stay curious and adaptable, for these qualities will be your biggest and your greatest assets in navigating the challenges of the future. Remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, as Roosevelt had beautifully expressed. Dream big, aim high, and never stop striving for excellence. As the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, I want you to know that we are committed to creating more opportunities for students like you to thrive. We are working tirelessly to ensure that education in our state is both accessible and enriching. Your success reflects the potential of the state of Meghalaya, and with young achievers like you, the future of the state, I can vouch, is bright. Before I conclude, let me leave you with one final thought. Always believe in yourselves. There will be moments when the road ahead feels uncertain, but in those moments, remember the strength that has brought you this far. Take pride in your journey, trust your abilities, and stay grounded in your principles. Life is not just about reaching your destination, but also embracing the journey and learning from each and every experience on the way. With these few words, I end my address, and I once again congratulate all those who have earned your merit and accolades in this function today. I congratulate the parents, I congratulate the teachers, the head of institutions, and also all the office bearers of Raj Lavan Social and Cultural Organization, and especially their president, Masanbor Shulai, for the initiative that he has taken. Each and every year, I see this program being held very enthusiastically. I congratulate all those who are behind this event, and especially Masanbor Shulai.
Please give her a huge round of applause. She's already on the stage. Ms. Uttama Ghosh will also be receiving the laptop. I would like to request our President, Shri Sanbor Shulai, to kindly come up on stage for a group photograph. Meanwhile, I request the following students to kindly be ready. Ms. Rupika Chanda, Ms. Shrishti Nath, Ms. Shriya Gupta, Ms. Simran Mangor, Ms. Seetal Thapa, and Ms. Sonali Nath. Applause. The awards being given are for the BPL Class 10 Girls Combined category. Students, whenever you are coming to receive the award, you are requested to drop the lucky draw coupon in the drop box in front of me.
Look here.
Tirelessly to make a success.
Look here. Look here. Look here.
Receiving the laptop. Next winner is this awardee is Mr. Akash Jo. Anyone who guesses the correct name will get a gift hamper. Yes? 12 BPL girls combined team. I'm giving you time to recall the girls of this category. Please see.
Look here.
Abhijit Das, kindly come forward for signing the doc. Dhruv Roy is here. Dhruv Roy is not present. Okay, the next is Miss Shivani Rai. Miss Shivani Rai.
Ready, sir? Ready?
Mentah singi setenat nomor ba, na perkat ugal munjung pok seliu nomor ba, kadang jengkur hu jong gulai, kajengker san kajeng u, agaba, mo arpuai teli mentah kadang Snem go arpuai, arpuai Snem, ngilah sam ni kini kusnam, but kusnam ni samla Pule, kibawan syakman, but ru ni ay jengker san ru ni ay award kum kadak jong kajeng ay mensim, iya kamtam ki samla Pule wat lagi pas hakano ke division ru ngai award yaki wat lagi wan lagi bedok ke bekerdu ki badun ke dunah ke hotmet ru ngai award yaki kenang ba kalung kadak kajing ai mensim ki kenang bagendang la ben le ba ki ski bat Snem ka cikim ke joki ka Pule kadang ni mentakan Kynthih kidon baro ars pak san pemriu ngot ka kidon arpukra kategoris haki bentai ba pair kini gilong ru kitu ba pass division baru itu ba pass wat aga second third aga non division ru boni bodok ru nyai lagi yaki but ki toppers haka arpun ru klik ki konsensi ke bayo max bondo ki toppers ki don adu nyup saungot te nyup sau kli laptop ru ngin ai che ki nyup saungot sibet te bat nolor jong kata kan don ska award ki prize ki certificate ki memento kuwi ki jing ai so ba bangin ai chi ka jing lut hang ne ka bat laptop ade kam dunaya ka lai phola ta kambur ka de jing kerchan na ka SUWP scheme jong government baru ka jing kerchan jong ki dekon jong ka organization baru ki perlok perjuar ki ba ai jing kerchan ya ka program sebagai tip ka program ska ba long genuine kalung ka ba ai mensim syai samla tadat kadau ki keluar berwan sakamat ban keluar berwan sakamat ban man Snem di ai jing san bisa hi kadang platform ka ba biang bangin ra ya bangin ra na kubur bangin ya kun percaya drugs nomor ba kadai lengba jong samla puli ko manta kasingi ra kada message say no to drugs ba ni airo ke jingkerpat kimi pa sakino hikai sakino hikai nang ta chaki balang ki komiti balang ba pher ki jajnyam ki ba pher komiti nyam ba pher ki seng balang naduk dorbar silong dorbar ma ba komtar ter hakaba ban la ban rat ding khong ban pendu yo drugs dei tang ke Jingtrei lang chongporo ka ding Jingtrei lang tangga government kabla lani tangga police tangki government machineries kidumla andrei don kam higi ya kejing kersan jumpi pajba te dang manakane ngalapulong ya kawik awareness program apo cantonment area te sakawai ru ka bahagi ni singan sapulong par apo municipal area hakapa ngin kerpak ya boro ka ba kumpul kentin ka ba ki sedang naing takin sedang kanton ka awareness bagin sedang nakala kacong kaing bagi pensutu yang ikun samla ki jong Khynnah ki jong ki dong ki snong bakum tar ter hakan kelenti gila ban yele ban pendu ban pendam ban ya kan jikr kenrei jong ki di dong di drug baru bangin ni kerpar ku coba government berklan ru ya kumno ba kajingwan jong drugs na sabar juga jelaru bangi di detect iki ba kanang ba hakan ko kom kadang ya trailang ila bat skuski ban pendu jan ya kan Jingithuh drugs.